Seedance 2.0 and Kling 3.0, which is the best AI video generating model in 2026. In this video, we're putting both models head-to-head to see which one actually performs better in real-world results. And if you want an easier way to try different AI video models in one place, you can check out HitPaw VikPea. It integrates multiple popular AI video generation tools, including the latest Seedance 2.0, with Kling 3.0 coming soon. Now, let's take a look at how Seedance 2.0 and Kling 3.0 perform using the exact same prompts.
You shouldn't have come back. This ends today. You shouldn't have come back. This ends today.
If you want to try them yourself, you can use HitPaw VikPea to access multiple AI video models in one place and see the differences firsthand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.